Hello, and welcome to Word Warehouse. In today's lesson, we're going to learn a group of irregular verbs that all follow the same pattern. If you can remember one of them, the others will be much easier to learn. Let's get started. Send, sent, sent. Spend, spent, spent. Lend, lent, lent. Bend, bent, bent. Can you see the pattern? These verbs change the vowel in the past simple and keep the same form in the past participle. Now let's look at the meaning of each verb and some common examples. Send means to make something go to another person or place. I send lots of emails at work. She sent me a birthday card. They have sent the package, so it should arrive tomorrow. Spend means to use money, time, or energy. I spend too much time on my phone. We spent the weekend at the beach. I've spent all my holiday savings. I spend a lot of time with my family. Lend means to give something to someone for a short time, expecting to get it back. I often lend books to my friends. She lent me her umbrella yesterday. He's lent me his car several times. Many English learners confuse lend and borrow, but the difference is simple. Lend means to give something to someone for a short time. Borrow means to take something from someone for a short time, planning to give it back. Examples: Can you lend me your pen? I borrowed a pen from my friend. Remember, you lend something to someone. You borrow something from someone. Bend means to make something curve or move into a different shape. Be careful not to bend the paper. He bent the metal with a hammer. I've bent my glasses by accident. Great job! You've just learned 4 common irregular verbs that follow the same pattern. Practice them together, and you'll remember them much more easily. See you in the next lesson.